Hey, what's up, everybody? You're watching Rookie to Pro Builds, and I'm your driver, Lovin's President. Now, we got a lot going on with the Accord today. Right now, it's all torn apart, and we're getting it back in order. Let me show you what I'm talking about. So right here is the OEM head unit, and I can tell you this, guys, this thing is heavy. Look how big that radio is. To be honest, there's nothing wrong with it, but it's dated, it's 2021, and I love everything about the design of the Accord, but the infotainment system. So I always wanted Apple CarPlay, and that's what we're about to do. This thing is all torn up right now. It looks crazy. Trust me, it's not that bad. I opened this up before in my 04 Accord plenty of times, so this time around, I know what I'm doing, and it's going more seamless. So, before, I had this radio, which is Pioneer Radio. It got the job done. It was capable of having Apple CarPlay as well, but I never did that. And it had a mic feature that you have to route the mic, and I never got that done. I can tell you this one thing, guys. It seems like I take forever with this build, but it was running down here in the lower pocket area, and then the stock radio was here. Of course, I got rid of the lower pocket, so I had to cop a new one at the junkyard. Looks brand new. Guess how much they wanted for this at the dealership, guys? They wanted $200 for this piece. I got this from the junkyard for $5, and it's functioning, and it's a perfect replacement for the part that I sold a long time ago. I actually sold the other one for more than $5, actually, so it came full circle. But so pretty much this is the unit I'm putting it on, and it's perfect. It's a 10.1 inch screen. It's gonna go here, and then the lower pocket back down there. The only thing I'm waiting for is I have a single zone climate wire from the person I purchased it from, and I'm waiting for the dual zone climate control because my Accord's a dual zone. And that's pretty much it. Everything else should be good. Steering control should start back up again. I haven't had that for a while too, and with this right here, that should bring it back, that function back. I got the wireless CarPlay portion right here. This is like an adapter that allows it to have CarPlay on the radio. But yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. I can't wait to get this in, and I can't wait to show you how it looks once it's done. All right, the moment of truth. Let's see if this works. There we go. We got the AC and the heater running. Okay. Yep. I like that. Defroster running. We're back in business, y'all. Head unit are definitely running. Right now it's in the Android mode, but in a second with the app it switches over to the CarPlay. Let's see. It's not super fast with the switch, but I'm not complaining, trust me. Once you get into the Apple CarPlay interface, it seems like it runs a lot better, a lot quicker. Connecting. There we go. Of course, you gotta have the channel theme song on there. Let me turn off the thing real quick. That's off. They have modes as well. So everything's in the car right now. We got the infotainment system right here. Everything's secured. Back looking flush. Got the bottom pocket. Looking back OEM. And I like that. So yeah, that's pretty much it. That was what I wanted to show you guys. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. You know what it is. All right, it's finally in. There it goes. Got the bottom pocket back in. Everything back and secured. So I'm gonna attempt to see everything. Oh shoot.